stuck here too damn long, singing someone else's song. Dust on my boots and a heavy heart. It's high time I make a brand new start. The wind keeps whispering my name, saying, boy, don't die in chains. I don't need no map or plan, just a one-way ride to where I can. I need a fast train, no delays, one that don't stop till the past decays. Steel wheels humming like a getaway tune, chasing down a red-hot moon. Out of this town, out of this pain, yeah, I need a fast train. Staring at the floor, waiting for dreams that ain't dreaming no more. I gave my best, but it ain't enough. Time to trade regret for something tough. Give me smoke, give me speed, give me distance, that's what I need. Let that engine scream my name and carry me far from all this shame. I need a fast train, thunder loud, blowing straight through this broken downtown. Don't want goodbye, don't want tears, just that rhythm ringing in my ears. Nothing left here I can explain. I need a fast train. Scared, I'm running free from all the things that buried me. When that whistle cries, I won't look back. I'll be gone with the clickety-clack. I need a fast train, clear the line, let me chase what was always mine. Full steam roll into the night with the heart set right and the stars inside. Ain't no slow ride gonna ease my brain. I need a fast train.